This is what I got so far, and I must say that's looking pretty damn good. The roll pin is going to be tucked up underneath a little bit more, so for in case those that just came in the middle of this. So that's just ratchet strapped down, vice gripped, and I put some duct tape to clean up the body line so you can see what it's going to look like. But I say that's looking pretty damn sharp right there. Yep. So I'm going to tack weld that down after I cut the other side. This is what I did on the passenger side. So I made my marker and marked out on where the bar is underneath. So she runs down this way. And then for each spot, because it's curved, you want to cut a triangle. That way it relieves the steel. And then these two halves more than likely will meet each other when you go to roll it over. If not, you can fill it in with some weld. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the way this is turning out. So when this is laying down, she'll have that same curvature across the top of here. And then I got to massage this area a little bit better, because this is the welded side. So a little bit of dolly hammering, whatever, should be good. I wish it was one solid piece all the way across. It would have been better. So that's what I got so far. I must say that's turned out quite to my liking. This gap right here is going to get pulled up. It's just loosely sitting on there. And I got to massage the area right here in the center of the roll pin. And like I said, that's going to get pushed into there a little bit more. Actually, you can see where that bolt is for the shackle and the notch that I cut out. That's how far it's going to get pushed in. So yeah, I say she's getting pretty damn close for being a full complete body, but damn it, there's still a shitload more work left to do. So I'm taking my break for the moment, and that's what I usually do when you see me sitting here talking, is I just done a bunch of cutting, welding, figuring out what to do for the next video clip. And I tell you, you go back and watch the other video of this back in the day when it was just sitting on a trailer over here. It was sitting on that trailer, naked as a jaybird with an ugly rear end. This thing. I was sitting with this ugly trunk lid. I've been cutting pieces off it little by little to do some patchwork. But I want to make that one whole solid piece. And then I'll go back and make my cut for my trunk. Then I can start framing it out and make her happy. So far, I say that's pretty good. So I'm going to have to draw my lines so I don't lose my shape across here. I'll run me a straight line there right before it bends, and then right after it bends. That way I know where, you know, to roll my sheet metal to get my curvature. So I don't want to put creases in it, because then it's going to mess up this hole this way. You just want to lightly roll it, then get fatter as you get in the center, and then start tightening up as you get on the edge. And that way you'll have it this way and you'll have it this way. So it's not exactly flat across the back, and it's not flat across the top. It's just flat across this region right in here is flat. And then you can see it hump over this way, and then you can see it bulge out this way. And that's the shape that I want to keep. So, yep, back to work. So we'll see what else I got. I'm going to finish up that over there, and then I can start working on that quarter panel. and whipping that bad boy in shape. But so far, I say that's pretty damn good. So hang tight, I'll be right back. Guys, so I think it's not looking too bad. Yeah, there's paint runs in it, I don't care. It's just coating just to get everything one color. I even painted over duct tape. So it's not welded, it's not tuned in or nothing. It's just vice gripped down there, ratchet strap. I even painted the ratchet strap. But it was to get an overall look of the way it looks on here, how it's contoured, how it's looking. Yeah, she's a little bit long in the back. I don't care. And I'm missing a piece out of there because of my corner piece. But you can overall see what I'm doing. Everything seems to be lined up pretty good. If I can get the whole car to look like that, jeez, it'd be in awesome shape. But, so the center of it, you can see right here, right where my head is poked out a little too much. When I put a reinforcement across that, she'll be straight. And then when I raise up the roll pin, tuck it up underneath, should look pretty good. So, I would say that's pretty straight and even all the way across. Now things are, you can see a piece of that quarter panel stuck up a little bit over there, so it's throwing everything off. And the back piece across here is stood up, so it's just throwing everything off also. This piece here. So if I bring that in here and down, and then, well, there it just went. So that's the piece you're seeing sticking up in the air, so it looks like it wasn't even, but now it should look even. Yep, there it is. So yeah, I would say she's looking pretty damn good. I'm satisfied with that. Just a little bit more work, guys, a little bit more. Yeah, I gotta fix that over here. That's where I burnt through the sheet metal. I need a welder that's a little bit less. But, so this is my famous corner piece that I made. It's not too bad looking. So, that's what I made. That's what's going to go here. So it should line up and fit right in there. So for the time being, I'll just sit here for now, because we're getting more and more of a Model A every day. So once everything is in stone, then I'll go back and hammer out some stuff, and then fill in with some weld, make it smooth till you get the desired texture you want. Then body glaze, one coat, done. If y'all like what I've done so far, y'all hit like and subscribe. Y'all come on back and watch me again. I'll see y'all next time. Have a good one.